This is an overview of my discriminant analysis SPSS output. The research question being addressed in this output is: can food and drink purchases such as wine, meat, fish, fruit, and sweets predict if the participant has a kid at home? So we start off looking at the total sample size in the analysis case processing summary. The total sample size is 2,240, which exceeds the requirement of 20 participants per predictor variable, and that reference is Tabachnik and Fidel 2019. Then we go down to the group statistics, and here we see that all the variables have a consistent sample size, which is good. We don't need to, there's no missing variables here. In the tests of equality of group means, all of the variables show significance, so none have to be removed. In the pooled within groups matrices, none of the variables are showing the exact same number, so that's a good thing. In the log determinants, the rank is equal between groups. This means the variance is close. Boxes M showed significance, so what we can do there is run a separate covariances through the classify section. Significance is less than 1, and that's what we have here for this test. The hygiene value shows 100% of the variance of the dependent variable was accounted for by function 1. Wilks lambda showed strong reliability at 0.670 and significance at less than 1,000%. Also, on the hygiene values, the canonical correlation shows that the relationship between the dependent variables and independent variables is decent at 0.574. The standardized canonical discriminant function coefficient shows the weight of each variable. The canonical discriminant function coefficients, these are the numbers that you plug into the formula that you add up, including the constant, and that's your abbreviated formula. The functions at group centroids shows us the size of the groups. Closer to 0 it is, the larger the group, and we saw that in the descriptive statistics as well. Then finally, in the classification results, we see that 78.3% of the original grouped cases were correctly classified. So this is a reliable test. We can trust the results. Non-parametric tests for this design would be binomial logistic regression and multiple regression, but we don't need them since this is a reliable test. The logistic regression could also be used as an alternative option, and another reference for this information is Green and Selkind from 2017. Thank you for watching.